In this video, I'll introduce you to the latest free and online platforms that promise fun and rewards. We have Patchy Plus and Patchy Exchange. Let's begin with Patchy Plus. It's an online platform featuring pachinko games. The game is enjoyable and straightforward, with impressive graphics and sound effects. The app is free to download and can be accessed via a browser. You can download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store by searching for Patchy Plus. Alternatively, you can start playing immediately at play.patchyplus.com using Google Chrome or any other internet browser. Once you've opened the game, the first thing you should do is register for a Patchy account. Simply tap the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, tick the 2 boxes, and then click the Create Account button. Voila, you now have a Patchy account. Now, let's log in by tapping Login. Then, enter your email or display name and password, and click the Login button. There's a lot to explore on the home screen, but let's first look at the 2 types of pachinko games, Arcade and Patchy City. The method of shooting the pachinko ball is the same for both modes, but Patchy City is more thrilling due to its numerous challenges. If you're looking for a relaxing experience, Arcade mode is ideal. Let's start with Arcade mode. Press and hold the red button, check the shooting strength on the gauge, then release the red button. The Patchy ball can land in 4 places. First, the recycle pocket, colored red, where the shot Patchy ball will be returned to you. Second, the bottom hole, where the Patchy ball will be used up. Third, the coin pocket, colored green, where you can earn Patchy coins. Lastly, the jackpot pocket, colored blue, where 12 entries will give you a chance to play a jackpot bonus game and win Patchy coins or Patchy tickets. So, launch more Patchy balls to earn more Patchy coins and Patchy tickets. Let's rephrase this while maintaining the word count. If you manage to launch 100 Patchy balls in a single game session, you'll be rewarded with 1 Patchy ticket. For an enhanced gaming experience and more prizes, always keep Patchy balls, Patchy coins, and Patchy tickets in mind. The more Patchy balls you possess, the more opportunities you have to shoot. To do this, tap the gear icon, the End Game button, and then click Quit. This is how you save a game session. It's crucial to save so you don't lose your earnings. You can acquire even more balls from the icons at the bottom of the home screen and from the Patchy Plus Facebook page ball giveaways. Firstly, the Claim Your Reward icon will provide you with free Patchy balls daily and hourly. There are 50 free Patchy balls available on your first login of the day and 10 Patchy balls each time you log in during the day. Now, let's discuss the 2 major ways to win here, which are Weekly Championships and Patchy Exchange. Firstly, at Weekly Championships, you can win money every week as long as you have a substantial amount of Patchy coins. In the weekly rounds, 10 Patchy Plus players win money. The first place prize is 2,500 pesos, which is approximately $50 and can be even higher depending on the round's gimmick. The ranking is based on the leaderboard. To always see if you're close to winning, you should regularly check your leaderboard screen from the home screen. To do this, just tap the red trophy on the home screen. The 10 players with the most Patchy coins on Monday, 12 p.m. Philippine timer, 4 a.m. GMT win. Patchy Plus's Facebook page also announces the winners of each round every Tuesday, 12 p.m. Philippine timer, 4 a.m. GMT. Now, if you don't want to compete but instead want to win at your own pace, Patchy Exchange is perfect for you. Aim for rewards on the Patchy Exchange. You need enough Patchy tickets in your account to exchange rewards on the Patchy Exchange. Patchy Exchange prizes include unlimited cash from premium prize trophies, Lazada, Amazon, Com, and Apple Store gift cards, Apple App Store and Google Play gift cards, and finally, mystery boxes. My top pick on the Patchy Exchange is the Premium Prize Trophy, as it doesn't require me to compete with others in Patchy Exchange or Patchy Plus. I simply exchange my Patchy tickets for premium trophies of equal value. First, from Patchy Plus, navigate to the home page and click My Account. Here, you can also view your Pachi ticket balance, which can be redeemed by tapping the Redeem Prizes button. The second method is through your web browser. Simply visit PachiExchange.com. All you need to do is log into Pachi Exchange using your Pachi account display name or email and password, which will take you to the Pachi Exchange home screen. Navigate to the shop screen, choose the reward you desire, tap Exchange, and then click Continue, and your Pachi tickets will be exchanged. There's another prize category on the Pachi Exchange: the Pachi Sweepstakes prizes. Pachi Sweepstakes offers 3 types of draws: daily, weekly, and monthly. You can win 250 Pachi tickets in the daily draw, which can be used to claim prizes on the Pachi Exchange. Alternatively, you can win cash prizes in the weekly and monthly draws instead of Pachi tickets. You can win $20 in the weekly draw and $50 in the monthly draw. Now, let's participate in the monthly draw. Scroll down to Upcoming Draws and tap the Enter Now button. We'll use the free sweepstakes entry. Every Pachi account holder gets a free entry every day. Click the Use My Free Entry button, and that's it, as simple as that. To check the results, return to the Pachi Sweepstakes page, scroll down to the very bottom, and click one of these buttons to view the results. I just need to click this View Weekly Result button, which will take me to this page where I can see the recent winners of the weekly draw. Pachi Plus and Pachi Exchange offer more fun and rewards. Enjoy playing Pachi Plus and earn Pachi coins and tickets. You can win real money, gift cards, and mystery boxes. That's all. I hope you learned something, had fun, and won. Thank you for watching this video.